Hello YouTube, this is Don from DaretobeCreative, and I am here today with the Stuff It collab posted by Poetspice. And so on the third Saturday for the rest of the year, well for the whole year, we have been posting a box, bag, or purse, something that we can stuff, hence the name Stuff It Purse. Myself as well as all the other collaborators will be listed in the box below so you can check them out and check out Jamie's channel. And so what we're doing is we're just using, you can use material, you can use paper, whatever you want to use, and just use anything to make one of those things. So I chose a purse this month. Finally, I had this done. I was waiting to use it, and got this for such a good price. This was $32.99. I got it for $4.99 for Tuesday morning. And I know a lot of you guys have seen it, but it's the Bluebell Trellis handbag die set, and it has 24 pieces. And the actual size is 8.7 by 5.3 by 2.3. And so that is the set that I have. And I will show you. I just made two quick ones. And of course they were my colors that I like. So this one is a red and white one. And this one has the happy birthday on it. And just the bow. I kept it very simple. My little thing I want to stay down. I tried to use a Velcro dot. This one didn't want to stay closed. But you have enough space in there. You can put plenty of things in there. And of course that opens. And so this is what it overlay on top of it. Very easy to put together. Like I said, I would Velcro this because this doesn't want to stay shut for me. I got a little teeny mini glue dot there. But anyway, it has a slit that you can stick it into, but it was coming out slit, so then I tried to glue it out. But anyway, that is the die. I mean the first one. Love it. And then of course, doing some black and gold as well. And this one says celebrate. So this one I cut into the paper and then I backed to put gold under it. And this one I laid on top of the paper. And there's just multiple ways you can do it. I could also put a piece of color behind, like black behind this white. So there's another way you could do it as well. But anyway, or you could let this open totally like this. So a couple options there. Anyway, so that is my purse die, and you can make it a little bit more pinched on the sides, if you want to, and you have tags to go along with it. But that is it. So anyway, hopefully you've been inspired to pull out some of your dies to make you some purses. But anyway, check out the collaborators below, and I'm sure you will like and see what they have. You will enjoy see their creations as well. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.